Tired of constant UAC prompts or want to stop them safely? In this quick tip, I'll show you the fastest way to change user account control on Windows 11. Hi everyone and welcome to the CNATT channel. To change UAC settings, open the Start menu, type UAC, then select Change User Account Control Settings. You'll see the slider with 4 levels. Setting the slider to its highest position provides the maximum level of security, while moving it to the lowest position disables the feature. If you want prompts for everything, move it to Always Notify at the top. If you want 0 prompts, slide to Never Notify, but be aware that this completely disables UAC and removes the safety net against malicious changes. By default, Windows uses the second level from the top. Notify me only when apps try to make changes, which balances security and convenience. Drag the slider to the level you want. I prefer lowering it one level to Do Not Dim My Desktop, which maintains the same security level while eliminating the dimming effect. Click OK, and if a confirmation appears, choose Yes to apply the change. For all methods, detailed UAC level explanations, and a quick test to see it in action, check out the full tutorial. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.